is like one of the easiest installs. This is just a 50 cal like aluminum bullet AMI. Basically it's olive green. Kind of matches my green Jeep, but nah, not really. It still looks pretty cool though, because my antenna X is just like falling apart. And quite honestly, I don't even use this. I have Sirius Radio, I have a lifetime subscription, so I never listen to the radio, and it just looks like shit. So I thought I'd put this on because it looks cool. Super easy install. You're gonna loosen off your antenna, whether you got like a antenna X one or you've got the stock crazy one that goes like 8 feet high. You're just gonna unscrew it. Now, I didn't want to put like the mast on that would make it higher up, which kind of looks dumb. So I just took an X-Acto blade and I just basically cut a little bit on the inside here so the sucker would go on. And all you gotta do is screw it on. Make sure you get it lined up nice and straight. I'm hand tightening right now, which is probably all you need, but you know, what you gonna do? Such an easy install. Out of all my installs on my Jeep, this is probably the easiest. Just want to get it really tight. There we go. Look at that. There we go. That's not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. Not bad, not bad. Let's take a look at this thing. What do you think? Cool? Not cool? Well, tell me what you think. I think it's cool. I like it. Kind of gives me a little bit different look. More of a military themed kind of a Jeep. I don't know. I like it. There you go. Thanks for watching.